So the developer or the engineer's Hippocratic Oath is this notion that, first do no harm. So we know in medicine that the doctors have this sacred oath called the Hippocratic Oath, and it's first do no harm. It means the most important thing is that we maintain a standard of care, that we always put the patient above anything else, and we have a very high standard of duty. Well, it's the same thing with our applications and our software. I think the best engineers are trained, and we talk about this at Sonatype. We are trained to first do no harm to the application and the code, which means we have to understand what we're being asked to do. We have to understand the requirements, and if we don't understand them, we ask questions. But because ultimately we are responsible for what goes into production. If there's a problem, it's not the testing team's fault, it's not operations' fault, it's not the business requirements' fault. Ultimately, we're accountable, and that's what we mean when we say the Hippocratic Oath. And I can tell you in this day of generative AI, I think it's a lot more difficult than ever, but more important than ever that we stand by this oath, because code is being written faster than ever. There's a lot of pressure to skip some of the steps like code reviews or security reviews, but we know those things are more important than ever. So the tooling and the data is evolving, that we can still honor the oath, but it's never been more important, and it's something we live by.